Hello my class 1 students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 3, subtraction of smaller number. Topics to be covered: subtraction of 1, subtracting down, subtracting a number from itself, subtraction vertically, horizontally, number stories, subtraction from 20, subtraction from other number, subtraction by backward counting, subtraction by crossing out, subtraction by drawing lines and then crossing them out. Let us revise what we studied so far. Subtraction means taking away. There are 4 mangoes on the tree. One is plucked by a monkey. So how many mangoes are left on the tree? It will be 3 mangoes. When we subtract, we use the symbol minus. Students, let us know subtraction of 1. When we subtract 1 from any number, we get the number just before it. For example, 7 minus 1 will give you 6. Now, let us know how we are going to subtract a number from itself. When we subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. For example, Mohit had 4 notebooks. He gave all 4 notebooks to Amit. Mohit has now no notebook left with him. Subtracting down, we can subtract in 2 ways. Subtracting by crossing the numbers on the object by ignoring subtracting, or we can subtract by writing the numbers one below the other. For example, if we have 8 butterflies and we have to subtract 3 butterflies, we can cancel it by crossing it and we will get 5 butterflies. Similarly, subtract by writing the number one below the other. We have 7 minus 3. It will give us 4. Number stories. There are 8 parrots on the tree. 2 flew away. How many are left? It will be 6. Now we have 6 parrots on the tree. Students, now you have to try this question. There are 4 people in the car. One gets down. How many people are left? There will be 3 people left. Correct. Now we are going to learn how we have to subtract from 20. So if we have 20 and we have to subtract 1, we'll get 19 as our answer. Similarly, we'll do up to 10. Students now will know the subtraction from other numbers. For example, Amrita wants to buy banana. The fruit vendor had 12 bananas. Amrita bought 4 bananas. How many bananas are left with the fruit vendor? So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 4 from 12 and we'll get 8. So the banana left with fruit vendor are 8. Subtraction by backward counting. Let us count backward and do the subtraction. Count backward from 15. Go back 6 numbers if you have to subtract 6 from 15. So we'll be going like 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. So what we are going to get when we'll subtract 6 from 15? We'll get 9 as our answer. Subtraction by crossing out. Suppose we have 14 bears. 6 bears are crossed out as 6 is to be subtracted from 14. We are now left with 8 bears. Now students, you cross out the picture which are to be subtracted and find the answer. We have 16 balls and we have to subtract 7 out of them. So students, you are going to cross 7 balls and what you are going to get as an answer? Correct. That will be 9 balls. Student, now let's know horizontal subtraction. So what we are going to do, we have 15 butterflies to which we are going to reduce 4. So what we are going to get as an answer? 11. Now let's move forward to vertical subtraction. Suppose we have now 15 butterflies and we have to subtract 4 from it. So how we are going to write it? 15 minus 4 which will give you 8. So vertical subtraction. Students will learn subtraction by drawing lines and crossing out. Suppose we have 16 lines and from that we have to subtract 8. Then we are going to cross the remaining 8 lines and we'll get 8 as our answer. Subtraction using the numbers type. Let's find 15 minus 7. Place your finger at 15, move back 7 steps on the numbers type. You will reach to 8 and we'll get 8 as our answer when we'll subtract 7 from 15. Students, now it is for you to try how we are going to subtract 5 from 14 and 5 from 17. So what we are going to do, we are going to place our finger on 14 and jump 5 times backward. What we are going to get? 9. Right? We can do the same for 17 minus 5. So we are going to put our finger on 17 and then move 5 steps backward and we'll get the answer 12. Thank you all.